This is Cheryl bringing you your DORN Safety Minute. September is National Food Safety Education Month. What does that mean? According to the CDC, 48 million people, that's 1 out of 6, get some kind of foodborne illness or food poisoning. 128,000 get hospitalized and 3,000 actually die. These are not good numbers. How do we protect ourselves to avoid food poisoning? Here are a few easy tips. You want to clean, separate, cook, and chill. Or just remember the acronym CSCC. Okay, that's not a thing. Anyway, clean. So make sure you wash everything: hands, utensils, knives, cutting boards with hot soapy water. We're trying to kill the germs from the get-go. And rinse your produce in tap water. Separate. While you're shopping, separate your meats, your poultries, your seafood, your eggs from everything else in your cart. There's a reason why those baggers do put your meats and things into those little plastic baggies. We're keeping weird contaminating juices away from all your other goods. 3, cook. Make sure you're using a food thermometer so that you are cooking to the appropriate temperature and killing off harmful bacteria. Nobody likes rare chicken. Lastly, chill. Throw all your perishable items into the fridge or into your freezer when you get home within 2 hours of purchasing or cooking. And also, never ever thaw your food at room temperature. I did not know this and do it all the time. Apparently, this is a breeding ground for bacteria and is not something that you want to be doing. So there you have it. Here's how we mitigate germs and cross-contaminations and food poisoning to help keep our food handling safe for our families and loved ones.